Good morning and welcome to Thursday Maths. Now today you're going to need this picture that's on the PDF that we sent home, and it's got 7 sheep on it. You're going to need a number track that you could write in your book if you don't have one, and you need something to count with, so cubes or counters. Now today we are going to be learning about subtraction again, and I've got a challenge to start with, so I need you to listen. I counted something on this big picture and there were fewer than 6 of this thing. What might I have counted? So we know there's 7 sheep, so that's not fewer than 6, is it? So it's not the sheep. What could it have been? It could have been the sun. Well done, because there's only one sun, so 1 is fewer than 6. What number did I give you? 1 is fewer than 6. Well done. Yes, it could be the tree, because that's fewer than 6. It could be the clouds, because 2 is fewer than 6. Well done. Now let's have a look at our star words today. So listen out for these in our lesson. Our star words today are first. We know this one well now, don't we? And then, next, take away, and is equal to. I wonder if you could tell your grown-ups at home, what does take away mean? Put it into a sentence for them. And what does is equal to mean? I wonder if you can put that in a sentence too. That will show good understanding of your lesson so far. Well done. Now let's have a look. We are going to have a look at taking away. Now, how do we take away? Can you remember? Yes, that's right. We have a group of objects and then we take some away. So let's see how many cubes we've got here and see if you can count out the same at home. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cubes. Well, these are going to help us. So we're going to use these cubes and the number track to help us with our subtraction, to help us with our taking away today. So I'm going to make a story about these cubes and I'm going to pretend that they're people, they're children. So first, there were 7 people playing with a ball. So there they are. Then 3 stopped playing. So how many are playing with the ball now? So let's read the sentence again. First, there are 7 people playing with the ball. So I'm going to put 7 of these onto my number track. Are you ready? Oh, it's disappeared behind. Let's move that so it goes at the back. Otherwise we're not going to see them, are we? There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 7 people. There they are playing with the ball. But then it says 3 stopped playing. So what am I going to do next? Yes, I've got to take 3 of them away. So there goes 1. There goes 2. There goes 3. So how many people, how many children are left playing with a ball? Let's have a count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 people left playing with the ball. Well done. Did you work that out? I'm sure you did. So it says here there were 4 pupils left playing ball now. 7 take away 3 is equal to 4. Good job. You're getting really good at this subtraction, aren't you? And using these number lines. Right, here we go. I'm going to use another number track. There's 8 cubes this time, and they're pretending to be people skipping. So we are going to use the cubes and the number track to help us with this one. Let's check there's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, when you're counting something, put your finger on it and then say the number. And only say the next number when you're touching it. So here we go. We're going to put 8. There's 8 people skipping. Oh look, that's at the front again. Let's move it to the back. We don't want it at the front. So there's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cubes. Then 2 stopped skipping and went to read. How many are skipping now? See if you can work it out before I take them off. So there were 8. They were skipping. And then 2 of them decided they weren't going to skip anymore. They're going off to read a book. How many do you think will be left? Well done, good job. Let's check your answer. Here we go. We're going to take off 2. There goes 1 to do her reading and the other to do his reading. Let's see how many cubes we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. So our sentence is, there are 6 pupils left skipping. 8, take away 2 is equal to 6. Fantastic maths. Well done. You should be proud of yourselves. Right, here we go. I've got a challenge for you now, and here's our first then and now sentence. So, you are going to start with 7 sheep in a field. Here they are, the picture that we started with at the beginning. 7 sheep in the field. So you're going to put 7 cubes onto your number track, like we've just been doing. So we practiced, didn't we, with the skipping. Then your partner is going to choose a number of sheep to take away, and they're going to take that number of cubes away, pretending they're sheep. And then you need to count the number of cubes that are left. And you're going to say the biggest number here, take away the number that they took, is equal to, and then here you say the answer. So there might be 7 sheep. So 7 take away 2 is equal to 5. Well done. You have a go. See if you can do lots of different numbers. Let me know when you've done that and you can come back and join for the next part of the lesson. Well done. How did you get on with those sheep? Good, well done. Now we're going to have a go this time at making up a story. Do you remember your first now and then stories? So, first there were 9 people reading, but 6 people stopped reading. How many people are now reading? So I've told you the story. How can we show that? How could we show that sum? Show what's happening? How could we show it as a picture? You could write it, couldn't you? You could do 9 take away 6 equals 3. You could write it in a sentence, so you could use words. Yes, you could use your cubes and your number track like we've been doing. Or we could use a picture. We could draw a picture of 9 books and then we could cross 3 out. So we could draw a picture of our maths using this sentence. So first there were 9 people reading, but then 6 people stopped reading. How many people are now reading? So we could draw pictures, couldn't we? Right, now it's your turn. I would like you to go and draw a picture, and after you've made up a story. So you've got your cubes, you've got your number track, you should have your pen and pencil at home, paper and whiteboard. So I'd like you to think of a number story, and remember you've got to take something away. So can you draw a picture and then using your cubes and the number track, tell me the story, or tell the story to your grown-ups at home? Well done, look forward to seeing those. Maybe you could send some videos of your stories. So you could tell me the story, draw me the pictures and show me with your cubes and your number track. Well done, good job. Now, just before we finish, reminder of our star words for today. They were first, then, now. So you've used those in your story. Take away and is equal to. Well done, I think we've used all of those. Now I've got 2 stories to finish with here. So I want you to listen to the first one and I want you to tell me if it's true or false. So is the answer right or wrong? So let's listen. First, there are 9 people playing with a ball. 9. Then 5 people stopped playing with the ball. Now there are 3 people playing ball. Is this true or false? And why? So listen again. There were 9 people playing ball. Then 5 people stopped playing. Now there are 3 people playing ball. Is that right? No. What is the answer? It's 4, but why? The reason is 9 take away 5 equals 4. Well done. So this one was false. This one wasn't true. Let's try this one. First, there were 7 flowers. Then 6 got picked. Now there are 6 flowers left. Oh, no, 1 got picked. Let's go back to the beginning. Miss Frampton read that one wrong. First, there are 7 flowers. Then 1 got picked. Now there are 6 flowers left. Is it true or false? And why? Let me read it again. First, there were 7 flowers. Then 1 got picked. Now there are 6 flowers left. Is it true or false? Well done, it is true, but why? Why is it true? Well done, because 7 take away 1 is equal to 6. Good job. Some good listening there. Miss Frampton made a few mistakes, but you picked up on them. Well done. And I shall see you again tomorrow for some more maths. Take care. Bye.